Hi, my name is Dr. Darrick Sahara. Welcome to the Sahara Clinic. The purpose of this video is to inform the serious, professional, collegiate, Olympic, high school, elementary, or the serious weekend warrior the utmost importance of hiring the right doctor so that the athlete can perform at the highest level consistently. Athletic injuries are common in the sports world. Therefore, hiring the right doctor to help facilitate the healing time as well as maximizing the athlete's performance is vitally important. In the cynical world of illegal performance-enhancing drugs, the Sahara Clinic prides itself as being the top legal, cutting-edge, natural holistic approach to fix any type of athletic injury or reaching a specific goal. As a patient of mine, you will understand that your level of your health has everything to do with your ability to heal quickly and to perform at your highest level. Every athlete is different. Every position is different. Therefore, the treatment is custom made for each and every one that comes through the Sahara Clinic. Here is a testimony of one of my professional athletes, former USC Trojan basketball player Daniel Hackett.
Well, first of all, I was able to come in a family environment with a person that knew me well and that's very prepared as far as sports injury and rehabbing, because he's been working with a lot of pros. So, you know, I felt great coming in with Dr. Sahara and working with him. He found out right away what was my problem, my issue, my lower back and my hip. And in a matter of a couple of weeks, we were able to work through it. And he got me right back on my feet for my NBA tryouts. So I was very blessed to know him and have a chance to work with him.
What was your favorite treatment? The hyperbarics? Was it the nutritional process? What did you think that was?
We did a lot of work with lasers and the hyperbaric machine. And also the work, the stretching that we did with different colored glasses that we have. I think is a way to you know, fight the injury, not on end, but find different parts of your body and that connects to the injury. And we're able to do that, and it felt great.
Cool. And then how about the recovery process? Was it quick? Was it fast? Was it? How did you feel that was different?
I think that the most important thing as far as recovering was following the diet the doctor gave me. That really helped my weight, my athleticism, my wind, and also helped fighting the injury. As I said, it was almost a miracle, because in a matter of 10 days I was able to bounce right back up from a muscle strain, a deep muscle strain, and get back on my feet.
Great. And then the hyperbarics, how do you feel when you get out? You can let someone know that the feeling once you go in versus once you get out.
I mean, it's a machine that I heard a lot of famous person use, and I mean, the latest Michael Jackson, I heard that he was using it. So it's known overseas also. Some pro teams have it, and as I say, it's a way to help pro athletes recover quicker and in a healthy way. And I think it's a great thing that that a lot of schools out here should have.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.
Oh,
thank you.
Daniel, do I have permission to share your testimony with
Of
patients,
course.
doctors, and kids?
Whatever you want.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks.
Hi, I'd like to welcome you back to the Sahara Clinic. I'm here with Daniel Hackett, former Trojan basketball grade, Italian pro now. Daniel, we've been working with you another month since you got back into town. We fixed your back, we fixed your hip, we fixed your tight hamstrings, along with your dad's help. We've been working together like a teamwork type of effect, and now we've been progressing and pretty much done with your plantar fascitis. Can you tell the viewers out there the before and after, a month ago, where you were at, and then now today?
Well, I mean, it's unbelievable to be in this situation right now. Coming in a month ago, I struggled pretty much to walk or even, you know, getting up and moving. It was really painful, and I had to deal with a heel spur and plantar fasciitis. And the difference that we've been able to accomplish is it's amazing. So just feel great now. Been training for about a month. Been using the diet for about a month, and just listening and pretty much getting rehab to the point in which right now I feel ready to go back, not only physically but also mentally and spiritually. So I feel really good.
Great, great. Yeah, you're talking about that mental approach too. Before maybe you had a tough season last year, and can you explain some of the you don't have to go into detail, but some things that we worked with you so you get your confidence back, your swagger back, we can say?
Yeah, it's been really my first up and down season in about 7 years, so it was kind of difficult to bounce back and see what I had to do to get back in a better shape and how to deal with injuries. So pretty much feeling good about myself, feeling better as far as injuries. Made it easy for me to work out and to reach a higher level playing. And right now I feel really good, I feel really confident because I see myself getting better and also my body is responding well to the training. So it's an all-around process.
So with the applied kinesiology approach, you know, we muscle test you and we find all the causes to your problem. Tell the viewers what you found and what I do for you and what even your dad does for you and how we work as a team.
Well, yeah, first of all, one major thing that I learned here is that lots of injuries are related to your state of mind. And you know, having dad and a person that I trust like Dr. Sahara here really helped me getting through that. Also, you know, training hard and staying in shape, eating right. They all part of this process, which is very important and I think is unique in the fact that Dr. Sahara is capable of getting through your body and fixing it without you know, changing too much or without major surgeries or major use of medicine. So I find it interesting and also amazing the way that we work together and the way that he's been able to fix me.
Awesome. Yeah, what we did with Daniel is we worked on his body structurally, but we also did a lot of biochemistry. And again, in this day and age of performance enhancing drugs and surgeries and steroids and growth hormone, we did everything legal and natural, but very sports specific to have him, one, recover quickly, but also to perform at his highest level, which our goal is to get into the NBA now. We're working together as a team. His dad, Coach Rudy Hackett, is a great strength and conditioning coach, former Trojan coach, and together me and Coach Rudy have really devised a plan for Daniel, and Daniel has to get all the credit because he's a very compliant patient, and he understands we want the best for him, and so he follows through on all the protocols that we give to him as well as prescribe to him in terms of supplementation, and within a month he's pretty much pain free and he's
probably
back
the best shape of my life.
best shape in his life. How many pounds did you lose from like last month to this month?
Well, I would say I came in at least 225, right, and I'm down to 211.
Awesome.
About 211, 212. That's lately I've been at that weight.
And the conditioning and how you
I mean,
feel
I mean, it's just how you wake up in the morning. You feel different. You feel refreshed. You don't have the soreness or the nagging pains that I had all year long. So I really look forward to a great season and look forward to the summer league next summer, and hopefully somebody will give me a contract in the NBA.
And for lastly, you know, Daniel Hackett, if you're a fan at USC basketball, you know, Daniel is a very serious and very intense basketball player. Danny, can you explain for one other thing is the overtraining versus knowing when to hold back so you can have that time to recover? You know, what's your experience with that with us and with Dad and everybody helping you out?
Well, yeah, last summer I had a issue with my lower back hamstring, and pretty much it was due to overtraining and the fact that my adrenal level was really high in my body. So let me explain. It was a matter of calming myself down and knowing when to push hard and when not to, and how to keep my body rested and at a low pressure when I didn't need to push. And you know, this summer I learned that much better. And you know, I don't push every day, but I do on certain days of the week, and my body's responded really well. You know, I try to keep my adrenal level low when I don't need to, because on the court I'm a really intense competitor. So just finding that balance between you know, being at a adrenal level very high and a low adrenal level when I'm not needed to is being key for my progress.
Awesome. Yeah, Daniel's a great student because, again, he wants to be the best he can be. And through Applied Kinesiology, we have a specific program for him to follow, so he doesn't drain his adrenals, which he's saying, and he doesn't blow his blood sugar, thus giving him the pain, whether it's plantar fascitis, it's a back pain, neck pain, hip pain, any type of arthritic pain. But also, Daniel, he's very, very competitive and very, very intense, and because of that, there's a window of overtraining and doing the best you can be. And through Applied Kinesiology, we know that set program. Rest is important to recover and heal. And sometimes the ancient way of thinking, like pushing through pain, can actually harm a patient or an athlete like Daniel and cause further damage. So Daniel has learned to hold back so his body can catch up and recover. Thank you, Daniel.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you.
In summary, the Sahara Clinic will 1. Accelerate recovery. 2. Maximize your performance. Number 3. An innovative, custom-made treatment plan that's sports-specific or position-specific to increase the athlete's longevity in their career. And number 4, something that's complementary to your training, whether you're working with your physical therapist or your trainer.